Hey y'all, this is Anthony. I don't have that much daylight, but I'm trying to make a little short video for y'all. Now, since some of the blue is done, I'm going to try to get that hard spot. I don't have much. The hard spots are the hardest because it's underneath that seat, that front seat, because it's small. And I can't hardly get into it. So I'm going to try to get more of it. Plus, I'm going to use the camera to see where I'm getting. Alright, that's one hard spot. So I'm going to try to get the other one. Like I said, the runs, they'll be taken care of. They will disappear. And this is only my second cam that I'm using on the blue. So this is part 2 of blue. And it looks like the bottom of this boat was blue before someone tried to strip it. So I'm just taking it back to the color. You got to make sure you shake the can real good to check, see paint's coming out. And yes, it's going to be clear coated too. You'll probably do multiple cans of that too. I'm not looking forward for it. But that's what it looks like so far. There's the front, the blue, and the back. There's the back. I'm like right in the middle. If there's any debris, pick it up and just keep going. Yes, I am in a tight spot because it's sitting on a trailer. I'm trying to get the shot. Now, if there's any runs down there, I'm not worried about it because no one's going to see it. And you always can just do what I just did. You can line it. Looks like that. Well, about almost halfway done, y'all. Well, I say that's it for the second can. Where's that lid? Oh. But yeah, that was the second can, and I can't find the lid. Oh, just found the lid. Always make sure you keep track of your lids, so you can't. Second can down. So yeah, getting the boat done is pretty, I don't know, pretty expensive or not, because I haven't calculated it up yet. But I still got to finish the trailer and everything like that. And I need you guys' help a little bit. Let me know. That right there. This and this. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me redo that. And what color. And everything. Because, like I said, I want it restored. But yeah, here we go. This is the third can for the boat. Let's see if I can get the shot. Yeah, yeah. You just go like that. Yeah. You just go along. I love starting out with the fresh can because it goes better because you can hold it upside down, you can hold it whatever way. It helps. So, yeah. Let's see how I lined it. I just see. I just put a line. And you just go. It might take more than I expect because looks like some of it's not looking that great, but I gotta be careful with my line. Oh, sorry guys. You can do little sections, you can do big sections, and whatever like you wanted to do. So this right here is probably going to be the trickiest part because I have to undo my line. That's what I just did. And I did a boo-boo. But it happens. Ease it on there. Boom, boom, boom. Bump it. When you're around something, you just want to bump it. But if you're so good like me, I can just go and just go. Now this right here is going to go back blue. And I am bumping it there. So, you see, there's the front. There's the front. That's where I'm at. There's the back. Alrighty. Well, I'll let you guys know. Gotta go eat and everything. Sorry about my voice because I don't know what's going on. Alright. Later.